Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make chia seed pudding. So this is a super easy recipe. The minimum ingredients is just 2 ingredients. So the minimum things that you'll need are 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and then half a cup of milk. But I added some extra things into it to make it a little bit sweeter, make it have some flavor. I added some cocoa powder, and I added a little bit of vanilla and a little bit of honey. And you could use maple syrup if you wanted to. You could use regular sugar. It would dissolve. But this is a really great breakfast. Chia seeds are pretty good for you. They have a lot of fiber. And it's a really great way to have like breakfasts pre-made. If you have this with some protein, and I added some fruit on top of it, it's a really great and healthy breakfast, and it's super easy to meal prep. So you just mix all of that together. You want to make sure that you stir everything really well, and then minimum refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. Most people do overnight. And then I added some raspberries on top because I thought that would go well with the chocolate flavor. And there it is, all done. This is really good, and it's a really great and easy breakfast. So if you want to see more videos like these, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.